Hey everyone, it's part 2 for adding the dragon babies to my dress. So what we have here is we're going to be working on the kind of the spokes of the wheel, I guess you could say, area. This is some poly organza that I singed the edges with to act as that mother of pearl piece that's apparently under here that I just did not do because I didn't want to. But we have some pieces that I've added here, which is just netting that I stitched down. Well, I'm going to stitch it down, but they are providing just a little bit more texture, and also they are going to be the lines that I'll be following with a chain stitch of some gold thread on this piece and this piece here, and then the rest of these are going to get red, and I think I'm going to bead some small check beads through these spokes as well. So let's get to stitching. Continuing on the dress tonight, I'll show you where I am. It's looking really good. I'm very proud of the stuff that I'm doing right now. Okay, so a close-up look at what we're doing here. These are single chain stitches of gold thread over top some black netting to give it texture, over top pieces of organza that I burnt on the sides to give it a little raw look. Well, best I could, because the mother of pearl pieces that do go here, I don't have them, and I didn't buy them, and I'm tired of buying things. So this is what we're going to do. So I'm going to finish this side. I have 2 more stripes to do in the gold, and then these ones on the inside get red with some beads. So that's what's going on right now. Here's some more sewing. So I think I've finished doing all of the embroidery work on the side of this dragon. And now I have to do a bunch of beading through here and kind of fill in through here and then all the way down this piece. I don't know if there's anything else I want to add in here, but I did kind of figure out that this is like a dragon wing. So I kind of mimicked the veins of the wing. Yeah, so now let's put some beading in through here and finish up this side and cut the video. Salem, do you approve of all of this? All right, so I think this is probably going to be another part 3 or just continuing on this series. We have a lot of beads we need to add in through here all the way down on these pieces right here, but I really like the way this looks. I have a feeling these might be a little too wide, but we'll see when it's done. But it's all chain stitching, Looks great.